and welcome back to Math&Me with me Nikhila Sankar. Today we are going to see derivatives exam questions. So இதில் நான் நிறைய முக்கியமான questions, கொஞ்சம் complicated, கொஞ்சம் difficultான questions solve பண்ண போறேன். உங்களுக்கு வேற ஏதாவது doubts ஏதாவது இருந்தாலும் கீழே comment sectionல comment பண்ணுங்க. So let's go. So first பேசிக்கா வந்து ஒரு சில derivatives, ஒரு சில functions ஓட derivatives பார்க்கலாம். அதை எழுதி வச்சிட்டு then we can proceed with the questions. Okay? So first when you have dy dx of x to the n, it is nx to the n minus 1. When you have d by dx of a to the x, you have ax log a. When you have d by dx of e to the x, derivative of e to the x is e to the x itself. Okay? Then you have d by dx of ln x, natural logarithm. Adoda derivative enna 1 by x. Then you have d by dx of root x, which is nothing but 1 by 2 root x. இதை தவிர we know basic trigonometric functions or derivatives. Sin x க்கு cos x, cos x க்கு minus sin x. So for cot x it's minus cosecant square x. For tan x it's secant square x. For cosecant x you have minus cosecant x cot x. What else? For secant x you have secant x tan x. So these are some basic trigonometric functions and their derivatives. So இதெல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சா we can proceed with the question. Okay? Question number 1. F of x is equal to 3 root x. So f dash of x enna 3 times derivative of 1 by root x is 1 by 2 root x. So what do you have? 3 by 2 root x. This is your answer. Second question. You have 5 e to the x. This is your f of x. So what will be your f dash of x? It will be 5 e to the x. No change. Next question. You have 10 a to the x. Which means if this is your f of x, f dash of x is equal to 10 a to the x log a. Okay, this is your derivative. Next question. D by dx of x cube plus e to the x plus 3 to the x plus cot x. இதோட டெரிவேட்டிவ் எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? ஒரு டேர்மோட டெரிவேட்டிவ் எழுதிட்டே வர வேண்டியதான். So you have equal to x கியூபுக்கு என்ன? nx to the n minus 1. So 3 பவர் கீழே வரும். x 3 minus 1 is 2. இது first term. Second term, derivative of e to the x is e to the x itself. Derivative of a to the x enna? A to the x log a. Plus cot x or derivative is minus cosecant square x. So minus cosecant square x. Okay? Next question. D by dx of x square plus 4 by x square minus 2 by 3 tan x plus 6e. So இப்போ இதோட டெரிவேட்டிவ் எப்படி எழுதுறது? x square ஓட டெரிவேட்டிவ் is 2x. So here we have 4 by x square. இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 4x to the minus 2 னு எழுதலாம். அப்போ minus 2 கீழே வந்தா என்ன ஆகும்? 4 times minus 2 x to the minus 3. So இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 4 2s are 8. So it will be minus 8 divided by x cube. Clear? 4 by x square 4x to the minus 2 னு எழுதுறேன். 4 constant அப்படியே இருக்கு. The power is coming down. So it's minus 2. X to the minus 2 minus 1. So it becomes minus 3. So அது denominatorல கொண்டு வந்துட்டேன். 4 2s are 8. Minus இருக்கு minus. Okay? Next term. Minus 2 by 3. Tan x ஓட derivative secant square x. Plus 6 times e to the x ஓட derivative e to the x. But what is e? E is some constant value. 2.2 something. So it is a constant value. So e ஓட derivative will be 0. Derivative of any constant is 0. So this is your final answer. So what do you have? 2x minus 8 by x cube minus 2 by 3 secant square x plus 0. Okay? Question number 6. d by dx of 3 by cube root of x. Okay, it is not 3 root x, it is cube root of x minus 5 by cos x plus 6 by sin x minus 2 tan x by secant x plus 7. So, இப்போ இதில ஒரு டேர்மா நம்ம பண்ணலாம். We'll take the first term. So, d by dx of 3 divided by x to the 1 by 3. அதுதானே cube root of 3. So, இப்போ இது மேலே வந்ததுன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? d by dx of 3 times x to the minus 1 by 3. So, 3 வெளியில் எடுத்தாச்சு. X to the minus 1 by 3, what will it become? It will become into, the power will come down. X to the minus 1 by 3 minus 1. Minus 1 by 3 minus 1 என்ன? 3 LCM எடுத்தா minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 by 3. So what do you have? 3 and 3 cancel ஆயிடும். So it will be minus 1. X to the minus 4 by 3. So what do you have? Minus 1 divided by x to the 4 by 3. Okay? So this is your first term. What is your second term? 5 by cos x, which is nothing but 5 secant x. So d by dx of 5 by cos x is 5 secant x. So 5 வெளியில் எடுத்தா secant x ஒரு derivative என்ன? Secant x tan x. Now, அடுத்த term. What is your next term? 6 by sin x. 1 by sin x is nothing but cosecant x. So d by dx of 6 cosecant x. Cosecant x or derivative when 6 comes out, it will be minus cosecant x cot x. What will it be? Minus 6 cosecant x cot x. Next term, minus 2 by tan x by secant x. So tan x by secant x will be sin x by cos x divided by 1 by cos x. So cos x cancel ஆயிடுமா? So it will be sin x. So d by dx of 2 sin x. 2 மறந்துடாதீங்க. 2 sin x. So 2 வெளியில வந்துரும். Sin x ஒரு derivative cos x. 7 ஒரு derivative 0. So what is your final answer? So it will be minus 1 by x to the 4 by 3. You have a minus here. Minus 5 secant x tan x. You have a plus here. Plus you have a minus here. So up and now plus into minus. Minus. Minus 6 cosecant x cot x. You have a minus here. 2 cos x. So minus 2 cos x plus 0. So this is your final answer. So this is your next question. This is of the form u times v. அப்ப என்ன தெரியும் நமக்கு? f dash of x is v u dash plus uv dash. இல்லையா? So what is your first term? v u dash. So v அப்படியே எழுதலாம். This is x minus 3 times d by dx of இது x square minus 5x plus 6 plus uv dash u x square minus 5x plus 6 times d by dx of x minus 3. So what do you have? இந்த இடத்துல x minus 3 அப்படியே இருக்கும். d by dx of இந்த term என்ன? பவர் கீழே வரும். So it will be 2x minus 5 plus 0. Plus what do you have here? இந்த term அப்படியே இருக்கும். x square minus 5x plus 6. d by dx of x minus 3 is 1. So I'm going to open the terms. 2x times x, 2x square. X times minus 5 minus 5x. 3 2s are 6 minus 6x plus 15 plus x square minus 5x plus 6. இப்போ என்ன ஆகும்? 2x square plus x square. 3x square minus 5x minus 6x minus 5x. என்ன ஆகும்? Minus 16x. 15 plus 6 will become 21 plus 21. So this is your final answer.